Five, six, seven, eight. Kaya is here. Hello everyone, I'm Kaya's leader, Angela. Hello, this is Kaya
What's up? It's your girl Alexa.
Hello everyone, I'm Sophia. What's up everybody, I'm Kaya Charlotte. And once again, we are Kaya.
Thank you for the very energetic introduction, girls. And once again, good afternoon. And of course, thank you for gracing us here at Albert Finfast booth at the Manila Auto Show Day 3 here at World Trade Center. Pero bago natin start ang interview, can I get a round of applause for the fans here? Now, girls, lahat sila actually, they are curious. Can you share us again yung name ninyo followed by your age?
Hello everyone, I'm Kaya's leader, Angela. Yung age secret. I'm already 26 years old. Hello guys! Hello everyone, my name is Charisse. Kaya Charisse, ayan. And syempre yung age kasi you know with my sister, 26. Sad.
It's Kaya Alexa and I'm 24.
Hello everyone, again I'm Sophia and I'm 23. And of course, to those who don't know us, we are Kaya. We are a Hindi ako makapaniwalang nandito po kami.
First of all, my name is Charlotte. I am 18.
Joke, 23. Yes. And again, to those who don't know us, we are Kaya. We're a Filipino girl group under Sony Music Philippines, and we officially debuted on April 8, 2022 with our debut single, Blah Blah. And we're very happy to be here. Thank you, Belfast.
And of course, once again, thank you, Kaya. And as I have heard from your age, you guys are so young, mga nasa 20s. Pero, yung audiences natin, as you can see, you got a lot of fans. Probably not just here at the Mia's booth, but all around the globe, right? So, it's cool to see our Gen Zs and young millennials, of course, embracing things like travel and just exploring the world. A lot of them learn driving na rin at a young age, right? So, I just want to ask you guys, do you guys already drive and do you travel a lot?
Actually, yung marunong lang po mag-drive sa amin ay si Sophia.
Hindi ako hindi ako professional.
May professional driver. We just drive them free.
I haven't been driving for a long time, pero kami, we travel a lot, pero hindi kami yung nag-drive. Pero we do go places to meet our Zaya from different parts of the metro.
Pero na-inspire kami na nakita namin yung mga Belfast car models. Grabe, ang ganda. So, parang na-excite din ako matuto mag-drive.
Nakaka-inspire kang maneho.
Yes.
Oh, that is nice. So guys, baka mamaya hindi na lang isa ang driver sa kayo, but everybody. Now let us learn more about you guys as a group. So, what made you guys form a group and what is your music all about?
So, yun na po, we are Kaya. We're a Filipino girl group. And of course, our song talks about most of our experiences. And we use our music as a tool to inspire our listeners. So, nandito, Zaya. And, yes. And we officially, yun nga, debut na ng April 8. And we just released a music this April 8. April 8, ito nga po yung latest single namin with Zach Tabudlo. And actually, we're preparing for an EP. And we're currently working on it. And sana po masupportahan po ninyo this year.
Thank you so much for that lovely message. So, as people with a lot of influence, especially to the younger generation, are some of you already eco-conscious? And can you share some of your habits that you have picked up to reduce your environmental impact?
Yeah, sure. Actually, most of the girls naman are very eco-conscious. We usually do that at home. We do recycle. Yun yung una namin ginagawa. And of course, ikaw, di ba, meron kang
And as for me po, I really love upcycling clothes and thrifting in general. What I like about it is, aside from nalalabas niyo yung creativity ko, ayun, nasa-save ko rin yung environment at the same time yung I do save money also from buying materials na meron na doon sa nakuha ko from thrifting.
Actually kami po, whenever we go to training, we usually walk. Ano din siya, parang like unconsciously, we get to be eco-friendly kasi mas nababawasan yung pollution because of gas. And of course, sobrang ganda din ng mga VinFast cars because these are electric cars. So, mababawasan talaga yung contribution natin with air pollution. Kasi it has a big factor talaga with the health of the whole earth. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Kaya. So as you can see, Kaya does not only have a heart for the fans, but also a heart for the environment. So guys, ano yung mga pwede ninyong ipamahagi sa mga fans ninyo na pwede nilang gawin in their own little ways so that they could also reduce their environmental impact?
So, we just start somewhere. Ayun lang po talaga. Kasi, even us, kahit isang tao lang yung gumawa ng maliit na bagay for the earth, like, every single one of us, yung pag pinagsama-sama lahat ng ginagawa natin for the earth is gonna make a big impact. And for something as simple as segregating your trash, throwing your trash properly, switching disposable to reusable, yung ganun kaliliit lang, as in malaking effect na siya sa health ng earth. So sana we just start somewhere and of course be intentional din sa mga ginagawa natin for the earth.
And first, try to make it a lifestyle. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Just be intentional, yung nasabi ni Sophia. Yung paggamit din natin ng mga tumblers, and of course, like, using electric cars like VinFast, it will be a big help for the earth. And of course, ayun, kahit simpleng bagay lang simulan natin. Kasi yun naman yung ginagawa namin ng girls. We do try our best to be eco-conscious. Sana ganun din yung Zaya. Ganun ba mga Zaya?
And what, in the end, actually, tayo rin lang yung mag-benefit from this. So if you want to live a healthy lifestyle, let's also take care of our environment para yung air na hinihinga natin healthy din.
Yes. Ito, syempre di ba maraming mahilig mamili dito. Pwede kayo magdala ng sarili ng eco bag. And makakatulong na yun sa mga simpleng ways lang. Sabi nga di ba, small action makes a big difference.
More research pa kung paano natin masusustain yung eco-friendly environment because people, when we know exactly what to do, the process is easier and enjoyable because yun nga, gaya ng sabi nila, kapag mas maraming tao yung gumagawa ng change, mas nakikita natin yung impact because less can do so little but more can do so much.
Don't pressure yourself. Siguro start small. Simulan niyo sa pag-recycle, sa pag-conserve ng energy and water. Yung mga nagtutoothbrush dyan ng bukas ang gripo na over naman yan. So yun, simulan nyo doon and then make it a habit. And then saka kayo mag-take ng big step after yung gawing lifestyle, yung naka-masanay. And maganda na bigla-iyakan ng friend mo to do it also. Mas maganda di ba nagtutulungan tayo? So I think, yun ang goal natin ng Kaya and Zaya.
Ayan, so can I get an amen to that? Meron bang unity and Kaya and Zaya when it comes to protecting Mother Earth? Okay, now we're gonna count on that yes, huh? So now let's talk about something exciting. Of course, VinFast. And you were recently invited by VinFast to collaborate, right? And it's
Safety
actually
and convenience, please ensure your personal belongings are with you at all times. Once again, for your safety and convenience, please ensure your personal belongings are with you at all times.
So guys, that was a quick announcement. Make sure to take care of your own belongings.
happy kasi we love working with brands na talagang aligns with our values. And I think this is the perfect for our music video kasi we envision this unique style na very fit talaga siya sa music namin na ni-release recently. And makita niyo naman sa music video na colorful, very pop yung music. And I think na pumasok talaga sa aesthetic ng music video namin si VinFast. And we're very happy. We're very, very happy to work with VinFast. Sana hindi po ito ang last.
Of course, definitely this is not the last time that you will be collaborating with VinFast. It is just the beginning, right, Zaya? Okay, so girls, after you've seen our VinFast booth, is there any of the lineup of our vehicles that stood out to you? Meron ba kayong naging favorite pick na sa tingin nyo you will be driving anytime soon?
Ako, siguro yung BF3, yung nandito sa music video namin kasi sobrang cute, tapos parang modern na rin siya and at the same time, electric pa. So, hindi lang siya maganda tignan, maganda rin siya for our planet. Ay! Ako BF7 kasi favorite ko yung color blue. Hindi, maganda kasi yung interior niya and I think very fitted siya sa vibe ko.
So, my favorite naman yung BF9. Kasi sobrang ganda na kung nakita niyo yung cars din. I really like the chairs of that one. Tapos meron siya yung ambient light na sa gilid. Tapos pinalitan namin ng pink kanina. Tapos ang ganda, sobrang cute. And yeah, sobrang dali lang talaga. Like, ako po kasi yung for the music video, the BF3, which is sobrang gaan niya as in. So, if you wanna try something, if you wanna try a car na parang beginner friendly, I feel like this is a good car to start with. Kaya, yeah, the BF3 and the BF9.
Ang galing ko. It's either the VF7 or VF9. Kasi sobrang pogi po nung hood nila. Kung makikita nyo guys, very neat. Iconic.
Yes, perfect and perfect yung VF7 kasi I love this sporty vibe of experience. And the Emerald, I love that. And yung interior kasi is very spacious and comfy. Feeling ko perfect siya for a long travel.
Pero ano lang, reminder lang, to get your license muna before driving, very important siya. And drive responsibly and safely.
Thank you for that very important reminder, girls. And honestly, this partnership with VinFast is a match with Kaya because VinFast is a brand that is used to overcoming challenges in the EV market. Being the first full EV line and from the humble country Vietnam, now in the Philippines. Just like Kaya taking on the world. Once again, thank you so much, Kaya, for joining us today on our interview. And of course, here from VinFast Philippines, we would like to present to you guys some token of appreciation.